I have another wonderful unboxing to do today. The Brow Daddy Gold Collection. So this is by Permablend. And I just wanted to show you the unboxing and the swatches. And that's it. I have not used these yet. I just got the box yesterday and opened the box. There's even a stand on the back. That's pretty crazy. But anyways, let's just get into it right away. I'm gonna go to the salon and do some swatches on these. Oof, this packaging is unreal. So here's an example I did for the Tina Davies collection, the I Heart Ink collection. So I did all these on one paper. There's 6, 7 of these in here. But for the Brow Daddy collection, I'm gonna do probably 2 pieces of paper, 5 on each, so they're not jam-packed like this. And I got this idea from Carlene Sanders from the Perfect Arch in Georgia. So Q-tips, your ink, and oh my gosh, my box is dirty. Ink and cardstock paper. All right, so here is the box like I showed you earlier, and it has a little pop out on the back so you can stand it up. I'll probably display it on my shelf like I have my other boxes, but let's open it up before we start doing swatches. Gosh, it's so beautiful. It's like it keeps washing out. So here is a little velvet, it's upside down, little velvet like envelope type thing. Obviously super luxurious, you can already tell. And in this little envelope is another envelope, a paper envelope. It says the Brow Daddy. I don't know if you can see. I feel like it's not focused, but and there's a little note from the Brow Daddy himself. If my hands work, I can open it. You insert this, comes with a key. Super cool, right? It's a USB, and you can, if you can see that, you can scan that little code on your phone, and it opens up to a website. Now, when I tried to do it, it said that was like overloaded or something, like something wasn't working, and I saw in his post, he's like, we're gonna get back to you guys on that. But you can USB this portion too. And it says in here, we have some surprises for you. Just insert Brow Daddy key into USB port on your computer or use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the key. Make sure the key is laying flat in a surface to avoid any reflections while scanning. So I don't know what the surprise is in there yet. It didn't work for me. But yeah, this was just like a little thank you note and then telling you about what this key is. And then this is like for this or something. I'm not sure, but there's like some letters on there and it has the key. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get back to you guys on that. It doesn't say anything about the coin, but there's that. And there is 10 colors in here. Super nice. So I'm gonna open up each color and then we'll, obviously I'll open it up off camera. I still have my mask half on. Why is that on? All right, so we're gonna start swatching. Opened everything up already. Wear your gloves because you'll get it all over your hands. I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna keep them so I have them in order, color wise. I've labeled each color so that it's this way. You can lay it out however you want, but just know I do like this. So you need your Q-tips, your pigments, and a little cup of water, and probably a paper towel just in case. So first one we're doing is iced caramel. Obviously make sure you shake your pigments well. You open like this, thumb up, and this. You don't close like this, you close with the back of the cap. So it goes like this. You do not close like this. It won't close. Close like this. Okay. So let's dip the Q-tip in the water. You do a drop of pigment. And you start here. So usually, from what I've learned, again, I'm new, but what I've learned is the top is how it's gonna go on, and then this is about how it's gonna heal. Next, Honey Magic is probably gonna be your modifier. This is pretty orange, but I've read and I've viewed, what I've heard is that these are pre-warmed, pre-modified. This is Honey Magic. If you follow him on Instagram, you'll see a ton of posts that he's been doing with other people's work to show what colors people are using. That is a great idea. Huge, love that idea. Like that one. All right, Berry Blonde. As far as I've seen, I have not seen other people posting other people's work showing what colors they did. I think that is such a good idea. That really helps new people. That's very blonde. Oh, don't break anything. I've already gotten my gloves dirty. It's getting this box dirty. This one, Dark Teddy. Probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have left it. That might have messed it up, but whatever. I have an idea. I'll probably re-swatch these. I re-swatched these like a million times, but I'll probably re-swatch these. So let that dry. That's Dark Teddy. Next is Truffle Green. This one is Bronzite. All right, next is Chocolate. I like that. Yeah. Next one is Bruges. Now we're talking warmer, redder. And as I think this one's ashy, this one's more brown, this one's more cool ashy. Similar in their own different type of warmth or different type of ashy. And the last one, the Tokyo Black. All right, that is it. That's it. Any questions, comments, concerns? Questions, comments, concerns, comment them, message me, like this video, subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching.